Video we will talk about how to reuse the code instead of duplicating it in React using the concept of higher component in React. So we are going to make a logic of increment in our parent component and we are going to reuse that in our child component. So we are going to make three files: parent.pi.js, child1.js and child2.js. In parent.pi.js we are going to write the logic and we are going to use that logic in child1.js and child2.js using the concept higher component in React. So let's begin. New file parent.pi.js and child1.js and child2.js. Child2.js. Okay, so now come in parent.pi.js, RCE. To make a higher component, just type here constant and name of your file, that is parent.pi, is equal to, I am giving here what wrapped component. You could give name according to your choice. Okay, just cut this class from here and paste it in this wrapped component. Now we have to make the logic of increment. To do this we have to make a state here. So we have to make a state in constructor. So here what this is count is 0 and we are going to increment this count. So here I am making here a function increment count. I am making here an arrow function. So setting here a state, this dot set state, previous state, return count as previous state dot count plus 1. Means this is incrementing this count. So just come here in this render function, cut this div and wrapped component. In this wrapped component just type here count, which is this dot state dot count, because we are going to export these two which we are making here. Increment count is equal to this dot increment count, and we are going to use this function increment count and this state count in this child1.js and child2.js, and we could use these two in any types of child or any file or any component or any multiple component according to our use. So here just return here parent.pi, just save it and come in child1.js, make here a class component. Now using the concept of destructure we will use this count state and this increment count function from this from parent component in this component. So here is equal to, sorry, this dot props. This is that count or increment count here, the C which we have here, count increment count. Okay, now what I am going to do here, I am making here a button, and in this button is to be clicked this state time, and we are going to use the on click event here, that if button will be clicked then I want to execute this increment count function. Okay, now everything is all fine, just one thing is here. Now we have to import this parent class. So import parent.pi from parent.pi and just wrap this child1 in this parent.pi. Okay, Now everything will remain same in child 2 except one thing. So here in the place of this if on click event, I am using here on mouse over event. Okay, and here instead of this child 1, this will be child 2. Just save it and come in your app.js to render these. First we have to import this child 1 and child 2. So import child 1 from this child 1 and import child 2 also. This is import child 2 and just render here child 1 and child 2. One thing I want to change here, that in this child 2 instead of this clicked, I want here hover because we are hovering here. Just save it and come in your browser to see. Here in the browser, let's click this. You could see here this is working fine, and here this is also working fine. Means we have made here a logic in our this parent pi.js. Means we have made here a logic in one file and we are using this logic in multiple components according to our use, using this using the concept higher component in React. Hopes you understand it. Thank you.